Leadership is the ability to guide others without force into a direction or decision that leaves them still feeling empowered and accomplished. I request our dignitaries, guests, and audience to rise for national song Vande Mataram. Good morning, everyone. On this pleasant day, I take the opportunity to welcome all the distinguished guests on the occasion of investiture ceremony of the school. The Secunderabad Public School is a premier institution established in the year 1984 under the aegis of a visionary, Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Garu. Since the past 3 decades of its inception, the school has been marching ahead with its vision and mission of shaping young minds into their personal best. As we all know, that investiture is a ceremony at which honors or ranks are formally conferred on a particular person. It is also an event which marks the beginning of a new phase in the lives of the young leaders. The badges and sashes that will be presented to them today are not only mere indication of their designation, but also the instrument which instill confidence and courage in them. We believe that the young minds have capacity to contribute to tomorrow's world, and a school council is thus built on this foundation of students' consultation, making their voice heard and thereby integrating them as a part of our organizational system. A school council is a group of students who are democratically elected to represent the views of all students and also to improve the school. With this noble thought, let us start this morning by lighting the lamp. May the divine power bless us all and set in motion the first major event of the academic year, the investiture ceremony of 2020-2021, which will be followed by a song and a dance.
महागणपतिं मनसा महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम् महादेवसुतम् महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहविनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहविनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम्
Thank you. It was an amazing rendition. I would now call upon our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. J. Sujata, the navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to address the gathering.
Good morning to one and all, and thank you all for sparing your precious time to join us today on this special occasion. Investiture ceremony is one of the memorable and important events of every new academic year in school. All the students look forward to be a part of this event in one way or the other. For us, this is a great opportunity to discover untapped talents in our students, while it radiates a sense of responsibility and pride among the students. We have been celebrating this event over years with great vehemence and fervor. This year, the COVID pandemic has completely changed the scenario. Nevertheless, we have tried our best to make this occasion as special as ever and to keep our students cheerful and happy. Well, at the very outset, my hearty welcome to our chief guest, Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Garu, the chairperson of the Secunderabad Public School at West Madhupalli, Delhi School of Excellence at Attapur, Banjara Hills and Manikonda, St. Anne's Group of Institutions at Malkajgiri, and Delhi International School at Medship. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time and for being with us as a source of inspiration. I welcome our President, Srimati P. Jyoti, and thank her for the constant support she has been offering us. I welcome our young directors, Mrs. Shilpa Ravi, Mrs. P. Pooja, Mrs. B. Kavita, and our academic director, Mr. M. Augustine, for his timely guidance, constant support and motivation. A very warm welcome to all the proud parents of the newly elected cabinet, my colleagues and dear students on this momentous event of the Investiture Ceremony 2020-21 of the Secunderabad Public School. As they say that leaders are not born, they are made. They are made through hard work, not just theirs, but also their parents and teachers. After parents, it's only the teachers' fraternity who give their very best so that kids can grow up to become their very best. They feel that their best rewards lie in the success of their students. Even in this testing times of pandemic, I can proudly say that we have reached out to every student, given the due importance to their academics through online classes and online modules, and have also given a little extra to make their learning process a pleasurable and unique one. I am happy to announce that Miss Akhila Sripada of Grade 12 Science will be the new head girl this year, and Master Parth Modi of Grade 12 Commerce will be the new head boy. They will be heading the school cabinet of the Secunderabad Public School for the academic year 2020-21. The other members of the cabinet will be introduced shortly by our Vice Principal Mrs. Meenakshi Shelandra and Mrs. Renuka Vinolini, HOD English. I am glad that the members of the management and teaching staff have actively involved themselves and left no stone unturned to find the best and befitting candidate for each of the posts in the student council. The students of classes 5 and above exercised their franchise through electronic voting to elect their leaders. I would like to congratulate all the newly elected leaders and wish them good future and remind them of their responsibility with a small suggestion. If you want to be a true leader, do everything you can to grow yourself, but do not forget to create the right environment for the others to grow. Thank you all so much. Take good care of yourself and be safe. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for truly inspiring words. Taking into consideration of the prevailing pandemic situation, the interested students from classes 9 to 12 were given a privilege of giving their nominations for the posts of head boy, head girl, captains and vice captains for the 4 houses and secretaries for the 8 clubs. They were asked to record a short video on their suitability to the post to the panel of judges with set parameters. Later, all the positions were selected by the online voting system by the classes 5 to 12. The cabinet selection is done by the democratic procedure. This is not only an opportunity for impartial cabinet selection, but also an educational experience to practice democracy in true spirit. It's not about the end goal, it's about who you become by consistently pushing to the edge of your limits. Great leaders don't set out to be great leaders, they set out to make a difference, and it's never about the role, it's always about the goal. Head boy and head girl and the cabinet members will be now bestowed with the badges and sashes. Parth Modi is our new head boy who has been studying in this school from the past 13 years. He is very humble and proactive. His ambition in life is to become a chartered accountant. He also believes that values shape a person and helps him to become successful in life. We wish you all the best, Parth.
Good morning everyone. I am Hitesh Modi, father of Parth Modi. I am very happy today because my son is appointed head boy of the school. I am sure he will be the good leader. I thankful to the school for identifying his talent. During this pandemic year, school organized the online classes. It is a very useful for all the students. This school is not only give the importance to the study, but it gives the importance to other activities like sports, art, etc. I am proud and happy that my son is studying in this school. Thank you.
Now here is our head girl, Miss Akhila Sripada. and she aspires to become a professional in artificial intelligence. She is multi-talented girl. She is a Carnatic vocalist and a Kathak dancer. She has given more than 50 concerts so far. She has also participated in MUN conferences, won prizes in debates too. She is a very joyful person as well as a determined girl. We wish you all the best, Akhila.
Hello, greetings to everyone. First of all, I would like to thank management and the principal of the Secunderabad Public School for giving this great opportunity to my daughter to become a head girl.
I thank the school for bestowing faith in her. I have seen her grow with the values that the school has given her. She has been always a great daughter, and I can confidently say that she will be a great head girl for the school and she won't let her school down. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hearty congratulations to our newly appointed head boy, Parth Modi, and newly appointed head girl, Akhila Sripada. Vayu is a primary Hindu deity, the lord of the wind. Yellow, the color of Vayu, stands for sunshine, hope and happiness, freshness, positivity, clarity, energy and optimism. Vayu gives the strength to excel in every field of life. This year, the house master is Mrs. Pooja. She has been a house master earlier too and she has proved her mantle. We request Mrs. Pooja to introduce her captain as well as the vice captain.
Thank you, ma'am. Miss Adriana Ann has been elected as the captain of Vayu House. She aspires to become an astrophysicist, has participated and achieved in many CCA and inter-school competitions. She is a grade level pianist, also participated and won medals in many Olympiads. She has reached the international level with gold medals in the regional and national level and Roll of Honor Student Award of Spelby International. Master and SS Anirudh from class 10C is elected for Vayu House Vice Captain. His ambition is to be an IAS officer as he wants to serve his nation. His strengths are his parents and then comes his teachers and friends.
Namaste, Principal Ma'am and teachers. Hope you are all doing well and staying safe. Myself, Seema, Anirudh Mother. Thank you SPS Management for selecting my son as Vice Captain for Vayu House. He will definitely fulfill all his duties without any regrets. Thank you.
A race run, a dream job, a new home, a big promotion, a little victory. It's one of life's great joys to see someone you know accomplish what they've been hoping for and working towards. Congratulations to our new captain. With your touch, the house is gonna be amazing. I've got a feeling this is only the beginning for even more great things to come to the house. We feel happy today and confident in your abilities to rise to your next challenge. All the best. Whizza, whizza, Vayu House. VAYU stands for Vayu House. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who do we appreciate? Vayu House.
Agni House, igniting spirit, is the motto. Agni is the Hindu deity, one of the most important of the Vedic gods. Agni is also the destroyer of the evil. Red, the color of blood and fire, is associated with meanings of joy, strength, leadership, courage, willpower, vibrance and determination. Mrs. Zahida Anwar is the house master for Agni House. She is power-packed with energy, innovative ideas and always eager to learn more. We request her to introduce the captains and the vice captains of the Agni House.
Thank you, ma'am. Hardik Patel has been chosen as a captain of Agni House. He has been in this school for past 13 years. His ambition is to become a successful banker and also
open a startup company which manufactures and sells machines that convert sea or ocean water into clean drinking water. He always looks for the opportunities and participates in different activities.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आप सिर्फ ऑनलाइन क्लास चलने पर भी स्कूल कैबिनेट रखना चाहा। अगर आप एक उम्र से ही जिम्मेदारी लेना सीखते हैं तो आगे जाकर वह बहुत सक्षम बन सकते हैं और यही एक अवसर है कि जिससे आप दूसरों को भी गाइड कर सकते हैं और दुनिया तुमसे सीखकर कुछ सीख सकते हैं।
मुझे बहुत गर्व है कि मेरे बेटे को आपने अपने कैप्टन के लिए चुना और मुझे यकीन है कि वह अच्छा करेगा और बहुत कुछ सीखेगा। धन्यवाद।
Hitesh Agarwal, as a vice captain of Agni House. He is part of this institution from past 11 years. His ambition in life is to become an IAS officer and serve the country. His strength in his life is family. He loves playing cricket, basketball and carom. He has been an active participant in various events, be it sports, CCA or inter-school competitions.
Greetings to everyone. I am Jyoti Agarwal, mother of Hitesh Agarwal. I would like to thank the principal and teachers for doing their best for the students' development in this pandemic situation also. Thanks for giving Hitesh a chance to be a part of school cabinet. It will help him in improving the leadership qualities. Thank you.
Congratulations both of you. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. And working together is success.
Everyone has hidden potential. You need to unlock that potential to know how great you can be, how much you can accomplish, and how far you could succeed. I want you to shine like a sun. But remember, to shine like a sun, you need to burn like a sun. Agnis are like rubies, rubies are like roses, roses are like diamonds. Who's the one you are of? A-G-N-I. Go Agni!
Earth is an element of stability, fertility, potential, and stillness. Earth can also be an element of beginnings and endings. Prithvi represents solidness. The color green represents life. The earth is rigid, heavy, and stable, so also should be our mind. Prithvi House this year is led by ever-smiling Mrs. Jerusha ma'am. She is a tough competitor and always encourages new talents. I request Jerusha ma'am to introduce the captain and the vice captain.
Thank you, ma'am. Prithvi House captain, Master V. Benedict Solomon has been chosen as the captain of Prithvi House. His ambition is to serve the nation by becoming an IAS officer. His hobbies are cooking, playing keyboard, badminton and singing. He loves to participate in debate and elocution competitions. He had been awarded as the state ranker twice in Indian Talent Examination.
Greetings to all. My name is V. Susan Shalini, mother of V. Benedict Solomon, grade 10. It's a prestigious moment for me and my family that Solomon has been nominated as the captain of Prithvi Group. I thank the Secunderabad Public School, the management and principal staff. In spite of this pandemic situation which we are undergoing, in spite of all the difficulties what we are facing, I really appreciate the management for making this virtual ceremony successful. I appreciate everyone. Thank you.
Prithvi House Vice Captain, Master S.S. Karthik of 10th B. He loves to play cricket, table tennis and badminton, and he likes to read books. He is learning to play sitar and he wants to become a good sitar player like his dad. His ambition is to become a software engineer. He has won many prizes both in school and inter-school competitions.
Good day to one and all. I congratulate the entire cabinet on this achievement. I like to convey my thanks and my regards to the management and principal madam and all the teachers who have been involved in this and provided this opportunity to Karthik. And I really appreciate the kind of efforts that the school management has taken and ensuring that the event on the calendar is taking place, and I really appreciate them and the kind of effort they are putting in, and I congratulate once again to the entire cabinet. And this has definitely given an opportunity to motivate the child and provide them a platform that will improve on their personality development. And I really thank and appreciate once again, and this has been a great effort from all of them. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Congratulations! You fought battles, overcame obstacles. You had a goal, gave it your soul. You worked hard, went the extra yard. You gave it your all. You stand tall. Reach for your dreams, high on the shelf. But in doing so, always be true to yourself.
Akash with the motto Soaring High is one of the 5 elements of the nature. The blue color symbolizes trust, loyalty, wisdom, confidence, intelligence, faith and truth. Mrs. Arana Priyadarshini is going to mentor for the first time, and she will be adding energy and zeal to take the house to greater heights. We request Aruna ma'am to introduce the captain and vice captain of the Akash House.
Akash House Captain Kashish Dugar. Shoot at the moon, even if you miss, you will land among stars, is what her quote says. A confident, well-mannered, approachable student and a good representative among a peer group. She aspires to become a fashion designer and always feels she can be a positive leader and be an excellent role model for others. Her qualities makes her to excel as an all-rounder. Akash House Vice Captain Iman Junaid. Iman Junaid Ali from 11th Science has joined the Secunderabad Public School in 1st grade and is proud to be the part of Secunderabad Public School. Aspires to become an automobile engineer. His hobbies are playing basketball, like to read and is fascinated by cars. Very focused, respectful and a helpful person. Congratulations to both of you. The strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is the team.
Hi, this is Junaid Ali Muhammad, father of Iman Junaid. I'm really happy that Iman has been given the opportunity to be the vice captain of the Akash group, and I'm sure he will fulfill his duties appropriately. Thank you.
अपने हौसलों के बल पर हम अपनी प्रतिभा दिखा देंगे। भले कोई मंच ना दे हमको, हम मंच अपना बना लेंगे। जो कहते हैं खुद को सितारा है, जगमगा कर उनके सामने ही चमक कर देंगे उनकी फीकी और सूरज खुद का बना लेंगे। बहुत बहुत बधाई मैं कैप्टन और वाइस कैप्टन जिन्हें चुने गए हैं। धन्यवाद।
Now it's time to honor the secretaries of various clubs. To begin with, the secretary of the literary club is Master Nikhil Nair. His hobbies include reading novels and comics. He does a lot of research on space and also loves sketching and drawing. He commands positive attitude and doesn't lose his cool. He is also a boy with a great sense of humor. His ambition is to join the armed forces and serve the country. We wish you all the luck, Master Nikhil. Miss.
Congratulations, Nikhil. I'm so proud of you. I thank the school management, respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, and all his teachers for giving him this opportunity. And I hope he fulfills his responsibilities to the best of his capabilities and lives up to the expectations of everyone. Once again, thank you so much. Congratulations to all the children and all the best. Thank you.
Miss Kirtana is also the secretary of the literary club. and she aspires to become a robotic engineer. Her strengths are her communication skills. She has very endearing personality and gets along with everyone and also believes in teamwork. Possessing the never say die attitude, she resolves to never rest until the task at hand is accomplished. Keetana, we wish you all the best. I request Mrs. Grace, in charge of Science Club, to introduce the secretaries.
Hello everyone. Science is organized knowledge. Wisdom is organized life. Anshu Singh from class 9th has been studying in this institution, the Secunderabad Public School, past 9 years. He has been elected as the secretary for science. He wants to become mechanical and aeronautical engineer to develop new gadgets for the country, for the society. And his hobbies are playing cricket and football. He has great capacity to motivate his teammates and demonstrate leadership qualities. So I welcome Anshu Singh as a secretary for Science Club. Science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Iram Junaid of class 10th has been studying in this institution since grade PP1. She aspires to become a theologian. She is soft-spoken and a very kind-hearted girl, and she does her work diligently. Her hobbies are reading different kinds of books related with latest inventions in science and technology. Her strengths are patience and helping nature. I wish all the very best for Iram Junaid as the secretary for science.
I request Mrs. Deepa, our Heritage Club in charge, to introduce the secretaries.
Thank you, ma'am. It is often said, history repeats itself. Heritage education is not merely recreation for students, but should be an important part of their learning process. It will help them understand history, society, and inculcate values of respect for diversity and tolerance. Vasishtha Reddy is a 10th grader and is 14 years old. He likes to play sports, ride bicycle, play video games, and read encyclopedia. He himself is a walking encyclopedia. His career goal is to become a nuclear physicist and a historian. He wants to prevent global warming and promote equality among ethnic groups. His strengths: he is reliable, dependable, good team player, and good at time management. Gurpreet Kaur is an 11th grader. She enjoys singing, painting, dancing, writing, and public speaking. Serving is her aim, and she wants to become a life skills trainer.
Hello, I am Manpreet Kaur, Gurpreet Kaur's mother. I am very glad that Secunderabad Public School have given her the opportunity to become a social heritage club secretary. Thank you.
Namaskar, I am Sarabjit Singh, Gurpreet's father. I am glad that the Secunderabad Public School has given an opportunity to Gurpreet Kaur to serve as a secretary for the Social Heritage Club. I am sincerely hoping that she will be fulfilling all her duties with complete honesty. Thank you.
I request Ms. Kavita, our Cultural Club in charge, to introduce her secretaries.
When students get successful in cultural activities, it boosts their confidence, and that is the purpose of having a cultural club with us. This club encourages various activities like dancing, singing, and celebration of festivals. This enables the students understand their culture in a better way. Let me now introduce the cultural secretary for boys, GVS Kostu. He is a student of class 9. He wants to become an actor and work in films. His positive attitude is his strength. Drawing, painting, and singing are his hobbies. Being the cultural secretary, he intends to motivate every student to take part in cultural activities, as he believes that it is only the cultural activities which can refresh the minds of the students, and with such refreshed minds and memory, every student shall be an asset not only to the school but also to the country. With this ambition, he would like to start his journey as the cultural secretary and prove himself the best cultural secretary ever. Congratulations, Kostu.
Good morning, everyone. I thank the principal, management, teachers and students of the Secunderabad Public School for selecting and choosing my son, Gangreddy Venkata Satya Kausthur, as secretary for the cultural club. As cultural activities need to the students for refreshing their mind, and as my son, even though he is not professional in singing, dancing and other activities, but he is an amateur singer, amateur dancer and a very good actor, which the entire school knows about his actions. So, being a good actor, I feel that he will give all his best being the secretary of the cultural club, and he is having very good communication skills and interactive skills. So with this interactive skills, he will make all the students to interact and participate in the cultural activities which will be conducted by the school in coordination with all the teachers, principal ma'am and the management. And I thank all the management, principal ma'am and teachers once again for selecting and choosing my son GVS Kausthur as secretary of Cultural Club. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
A.L. Vaishnavi is the girls' cultural secretary. She is a student of class 10. She is very ambitious. She aspires to become a biotechnologist. Agriculture and human biology are the fields of her interest, and with this, she would like to bring awareness among the people about shortage of resources. She also wants to become a social activist. Vaishnavi is passionate about dancing, singing and painting, and becoming a great dancer is one of her goals. Her ultimate goal in life is to become an independent girl and wants to keep the people around her happy. All the best to both the cultural secretaries. Congratulations once again.
I request Ms. Shravanti, in charge of Eco Club, to introduce the secretaries.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to be in charge of our school Eco Club. The club encourages the students to participate and take up meaningful activities like planting trees, avoiding plastic, saving paper, garbage management, and making eco-friendly products. It is a forum through which students can reach out neighborhood communities to promote sound environment behavior. I congratulate Goparaju Sham of 11th Science for being selected as secretary of the Eco Club. He is an obedient student and wants to serve the country by joining the defense forces. His hobbies are playing badminton, piano, and making arts and crafts. He is inspired by the ace shuttlers of our state, PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal. Secondly, I would also like to congratulate Sheetal Shettigari of 9th class for being selected as secretary of the Eco Club. She is an intelligent girl and responsible towards her duties, and she aspires to become an IAS officer and serve the country and make it a beautiful place to live. She wants to stop all practices that are against nature and bring awareness to people that affecting nature will indirectly affect us. All the best for both of you children. Finally, don't be greedy. It's time to be greeny. Thank you.
I request Mrs. Pratibha, our Fine Arts Club in charge, to introduce the secretaries.
Good morning to one and all. A great pleasure for me to be talking to you all today on this very exciting occasion. I am very delighted to have the opportunity to address such a talented gathering of hard-working students. I am very much happy to inform you that Mohammad Saifur Rahman has been selected as Secretary for Fine Art Club of Secunderabad Public School for the academic 2020-21. He is very polite, responsible student, confident and committed towards his goal. He is well organized and very helpful. He is good at drawing and painting and actively participated in many cultural activities. May his zeal for gaming and internet will definitely take him a long way ahead. So all the best, Mohammad Saifur Rahman, for your future. I am very much excited to let you know about a special jewel of our school. She is none other than J. Sri Vidya Bharti of 10th B. She has been selected as the Fine Arts Secretary of the Secunderabad Public School for the academic 2021. She has passion to acquire knowledge in different fields. She has been learning music from 7 years, badminton for 2 years. She loves to travel from one corner to the other. This shows her aspiration for the beauty of nature. She is self-confident and enthusiastic. Her dedication and confidence make her unique. I will always respect her parents for inspiring, encouraging and guiding her properly in all directions to make her perfect. शब्द आप सभी के लिए ध्यान से सुनिएगा। यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जुनून सा दिन में जगाना होता है। पूछा चिड़ियों से कैसे बना आशियाना, बोली भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार, तिनका तिनका उठाना पड़ता है।
Thank you, ma'am. Sports occupies a vital role in our lives. It keeps us fit and healthy. Sport does not build character, but it reveals it. The objective of the sports club is to develop and understand the importance of sport in the pursuit of a health and active lifestyle at the school and beyond. Also, they prepare each child to be able to participate fully in the competitive, recreational, leisure opportunities. Ethics from grade 11, sports secretary. He is interested in various indoor and outdoor sports activities. He enjoys playing volleyball, throwball and cricket. He is a very enthusiastic student and actively participates in various sports events. Tanubora, from grade 10th, she is an energetic and active person. She loves to play outdoor games mostly. She is a good athlete and badminton player. She sincerely believes that sports is an integral part of human development. Thank you, ma'am.
I request Mrs. Shravanti, in charge of the Mathematics Club, to introduce the secretaries.
Thank you, Renuka ma'am. Mathematics is not about numbers or equations. It is about understanding. The purpose of having Mathematics Club is as it encourages a positive attitude towards the subject, stimulates mathematical curiosity, allows students to see mathematics as an integral part of their lives, inspires students to think logically, enriches their skills with higher order thinking. Now, I would like to introduce the secretaries of Mathematics Club. Master Siddharchan Valluri. As in his name, S stands for sincerity and C stands for cheerfulness. Master Siddharchan Valluri is a very sincere and obedient student. He has been a part of SPS family for the past 9 years. His ambition is to become a chef, but he equally likes mathematics. He is very good at solving various kind of Rubik cubes. His hobbies include YouTubing, playing guitar and keyboard. He wants to remove the fear of mathematics from his fellow students and wishes everyone enjoy the subject mathematics. I'm sure, Siddharth, we are definitely going to bring a change. All the best.
I'm Premchand, father of Siddharchan Valluri. I'm very happy that the school has given an opportunity for my son to become the secretary of the Maths Club. I hope he lives up to the expectations. And I appreciate the school for giving an opportunity for the children to develop their leadership skills. Thank you.
We thank SPS for giving us this wonderful opportunity.
PV Nagaritika. Though we know her for a very short period of time, she proved herself that she has the capability to become the secretary of Mathematics Club. She has been a part of SPS family for the past 1.5 years. Her ambition is to become a company secretary and wishes to be the best in the field she has chosen. Her hobbies include solving mathematics puzzles, reading books and listening to music. She believes that solving puzzles help in finding the shortest method to solve any problem. We strongly believe, Ratika, definitely you are going to bring a positive change towards the subject mathematics. Congratulations both of you, all the best. A little progress each day adds up to big result.
I request our guest to administer the oath of office to head boy and the head girl.
I, of class, accept the post of head boy and head girl.
Accept the post of head boy with all
with all its duties and responsibilities.
with all its duties and responsibilities.
I promise to obey my principal, teachers and all in authority above me.
I promise to obey my principal, teachers and all authority above.
I perform my duties faithfully and conscientiously and uphold the dignity and good name of the school and my country.
I will perform my
my
duties
duties
faithfully and
conscientiously and
and
uphold the dignity and good name
of this school and my country.
I shall strive to be an all-rounder performer, good at studies and sports, and exemplary in conduct.
I shall strive to be an all-round performer, good at studies
and
sports,
and
and exemplary in conduct.
I also promise to be loyal to the school and its ideals.
I also promise to be loyal to the school and its ideals.
Partha Modi and Seipat Akila, I declare you head boy and head girl of the school.
I request our guest to administer the oath of office to the house captains as well as the vice captains.
Accept the post with all its duties and responsibilities.
Accept this post with all its duties and responsibilities.
Do you promise to obey your principal, teachers and all in authority above you?
We do.
Do you realize that you will be required to be model students, good in studies and sports, and exemplary in conduct?
We do.
Do you promise to be faithful and conscientious in performing your duties and work without favor or prejudice?
We do.
Do you promise to uphold the dignity and good name of the school and be loyal to the school and its ideals?
We do.
I request the guest to administer the oath of office to all the secretaries.
Do you promise to obey your principal, teachers and all in authority above you?
We do.
Do you realize that you will be required to be model students, good in studies and sports, and exemplary in conduct?
We do.
Do you promise to be faithful and conscientious in performing your duties and work without favor or prejudice?
We do.
Do you promise to uphold the dignity and good name of the school and be loyal to the school and its ideals?
We do.
Thank you, sir.
I'm sure our new school senate will do their best and take the school to new heights.
The newly elected school cabinet will salute the school's flag. It will be followed by school anthem.
We have a vision for tomorrow. Just believe, just believe. We have a goal for Mother India. We can achieve, we can achieve. You and me will do
I now request our head girl, Ms. Akila Sripada, to deliver her speech.
I, Akhila Sripada, of Class 12 Science, stand before you as the head girl for this academic year. It is a matter of great distinction to be humbled by the faith reposed by you all in me as the head girl of such an eminent school. And for this, I would like to thank all those who believed in me and my abilities to lead the school. I see this as a great opportunity, an opportunity to inculcate values, discipline, and harmony in the lives of others, an opportunity to lead by example. I seek the cooperation and support of the Student Council and my schoolmates in making this academic session a fruitful one. The Student Council is a great platform to own our leadership skills. It allows us to pay back a small part of everything that the school has given us all over these years. As the students of SPS, we'll continue to serve the society with empathy and compassion. We'll also work towards creating an atmosphere of harmony and inspire each other to enhance our knowledge, wisdom, understanding, skills, and competency to scale greater heights. I shall encourage all my schoolmates to participate in co-curricular activities and showcase their talents. During this pandemic, let's all stand together, hope for better days, stay strong, stay positive, and let's have fun and make this year the best. Lastly, I would like to thank the role models of my life, my parents. I thank them for being the most supportive and lovely ones. And thank all the school faculty for being there for everything that I've done all these years. I promise to keep up to my words and make this year a great success and lead this year in glory and empowerment. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Akila. Now I request the newly appointed leader, our head boy, Master Parth Modi, to come and deliver his first speech.
I am Parth Modi of Class 12 Commerce, stand here as the head boy of this prestigious institution, the Secunderabad Public School. I just can't express my happiness through words. It was actually a dream, but now this dream has become a reality, and I'm so happy about it. I would like to thank the management for identifying my talent and giving me opportunity to serve as the head boy of the Secunderabad Public School. From the very first day of this school, I have learned many lessons, not just limited to academics, but also about life. I can't thank enough my principal and all my teachers for molding me into a person who I am today, brave, confident, and responsible. I also realized that being a head boy isn't about being better than anyone else. It's about having the trust of the student body to represent them with honesty and great enthusiasm whenever called upon. I shall work in my capacity with utmost sincerity and dedication and be a good mediator between the management and my student community. I promise that I shall do my best and live up to the expectations of all of you. According to me, there are 4 Ds of success: desire, determination, direction, and discipline. With these combinations, anything is possible. So I urge all the students to work hard in their respective areas and soar high and high. Thank you.
Thank you, Parth. That was truly inspiring. Now I request our Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Meenakshi, to propose vote of thanks.
The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest things. He is the one that gets the people to do the greatest things. Good morning to one and all present here. It's my proud privilege to offer vote of thanks. I would like to thank our management, our guiding soul, Mr. M.M. Augustine, our principal, Mrs. J. Sujata, for all the support and encouragement required from time to time. I would also like to thank our beloved students who have participated in the entire event enthusiastically. I take this honor to thank our proud parents who have extended their cooperation at this unprecedented times. I would also like to thank and express my gratitude towards our teaching staff, non-teaching staff, the IT department, and sub-staff for working tirelessly to organize such a gala event. Thank you one and all once again. Thank you once again from bottom of our heart. We wish them all the success. We shall all rise for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे